57. The tables at the end of the passage contribute to the development of ideas in paragraph 7 by. Okay, these are those tables. Each table tells a different story. So remember, we know what these tables tell the story. We discussed that in our review. The tables show how the percentages of re-election for senators and House of Representatives increased over the last 50 plus years. And in fact, they're now so high on each of the House and the Senate, they're about 90%. You might normally think it'd be like a 50-50 shot. No, it's 90% re-election rate per election. So, all right, well, let's take that idea and find out which answer choice matches the idea of that table. A, highlighting the idea that the number of members of Congress who are reelected in each election has increased substantially. The number of members of Congress reelected has increased substantially. I'm not so sure about that. That's not wrong. All right, let's keep going. B, demonstrating that the number of times members of Congress are reelected throughout their careers. No, the table says nothing about the number of times any individual Congress member is reelected in their career. That's just not the idea in the table. B is wrong. C, showing that the reelection rate in the Senate differs from the reelection rate in the House. Well, it did at first, but then it actually became the same. So this is factually incorrect. And by the way, the main idea of the table is not the difference between the House and the Senate. The main idea is that the reelection rates are higher than ever before and about 90% in total for both of them. C is not the right idea. D, emphasizing the fact that the Senate has fewer seats but a greater reelection rate. No, it's nothing about the number of seats in the House. That's not it. A is the correct answer. Highlighting the idea the number of members of Congress who are reelected, well, the reelection rate is higher, so the number that are reelected should be higher. That's equivalent, or paraphrasing, the correct idea of the table. In each election has increased substantially since 1950. Yes, and it's gone up substantially in some cases. A is the right answer for 57.